Hey there, beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we know everyone's grooming journey is unique, and your tools should be just as versatile. Today, we're checking out a product designed specifically for men. So my husband is joining me for this one, the Arkam Beard Straightener for Men. It's a heated beard brush kit that promises to make short to medium beards look sharp, frizz-free, and perfectly styled. Complete with an anti-scald feature, dual-action comb, and a travel bag. This straightener heats up in just 30 seconds and comes with 3 temperature levels: 300 degrees Fahrenheit for thin hair, 355 degrees Fahrenheit for medium and wavy hair, and 400 degrees Fahrenheit for thick, curly beards. It also features single-stroke technology aiming to cut down grooming time, while ionic tech helps reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Plus, there's a 30-minute auto shutoff and a 360-degree swivel cord, making it convenient and safe to use, whether at home or on the go. So my husband put this straightener to the test over the past week. First impressions? The device feels solid in the hand, lightweight enough to maneuver easily, and heats up almost instantly. Adjusting the temperature is simple with the one-touch control, which is perfect if your beard texture varies or if you're in a rush. We tried it on his medium wavy beard at 355 degrees Fahrenheit, and a single slow stroke already made a noticeable difference. Less frizz, smoother strands, and a more uniform shape without that stiff, over-straightened look that some heated brushes can give. It works well with the included comb for styling tricky spots, and the travel bag is surprisingly roomy, so carrying it while traveling is no hassle. One small drawback is that thicker, curlier sections required 2 passes for a perfectly sleek finish, but that's fairly standard with most beard straighteners. Overall, the heat distribution seems even, and the anti-scald bristles provide peace of mind while brushing close to the skin. Looking at value, this kit is fairly priced considering the quality, the multiple heat settings, and the thoughtful inclusion of a travel bag. For comparison, some premium beard straighteners on the market either lack adjustable heat or don't come with additional accessories, so Arkam holds its own. The build quality feels durable, and the auto shutoff gives extra confidence for daily use. We haven't had to contact customer service, but the brand generally has positive feedback for responsiveness. If you're exploring alternatives, there are simpler heated brushes at a lower cost, but they often compromise on temperature options or safety features. For someone serious about maintaining a well-groomed beard without extra trips to the barber, this kit justifies the investment. In short, the Arkam Beard Straightener delivers smooth, frizz-free results with minimal effort, making it ideal for men with short to medium beards who value convenience and safety. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.